how to edit Instagram Reels after posting. So in order to do that, let's head over right here to our profile. And then once you're on your profile, you can see all the reels you have right here. So for example, let's head over and edit this particular reel of us. And then click on this three dot. From in there, click on Manage. Then click on this Edit option right here. Now, once you have done that, you have the option to write a caption as well as add hashtags and also tag people, add location, put in here some partnership label, and also you can see this advanced setting that can allow some closed captions. So you can also have the option to click on this edit right here on the actual video, and then you can add some more video on this particular video that you have. So let's click on this add from camera roll, and let's add this right here. And then click on done. And as you can see, we have now a thumbnail for our actual video on the reels. So head over and click on this check icon right here in order to save all your progress. So that's how you edit Instagram Reels after posting. Hope we helped.